Hello and welcome to another SY Diagnostics video, and today I'm going to show you on a Mk4 Focus how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring light. Okay, so just like the oil light, what we do, we scroll this button down until we get to settings on the dashboard. Then we press the button here with the three lines on it and it goes to information. Press it one more time and you can see it defaults to oil life, but if you just press the button up you get to tyre pressure. So then we press OK. That then displays the tyre pressures. If you choose to want to reset them, then you just press OK one more, hold the OK button until you get a message there saying it's successful with the green tick. Then to go back, you press the back button on your steering wheel one more time again, and then we can just go back to the trip computer using the up and down button on the steering wheel. Thanks for watching.